Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jojo and today marks day 7 of our 12 days of Christmas giveaways, and our sponsor for today's video is Meruti Home Decor. They are an online shop on IG and they do stock farmhouse items and rustic items. So if that is your style, this is a page you have to be following, and I'm going to take you through their page and you get to see some of the items that they have. And at the end of the video, I'm going to be telling you what they will be giving away. So let's get started. So as I mentioned, the page is Meruti Home Decor, and let's see what items they do have. So for starters, we have this beautiful tray that comes with a notebook, and you can get different prints depending on your style and your preference. And this could be a beautiful way to organize your nightstand. You can place your watch, you can do your rings, you can just create a small vignette using this tray. Or if you're looking to gift someone, this would be the perfect gift for you. And also, a minute, let me go back to it. And also, if you're looking for linen for your dining table, for your setup, this is the place to get such. And also we can see that they do have a beautiful way of organizing your cookies. If you're having high tea or if you're having guests over, you can use this one to organize your cupcakes, your biscuits, your cookies. This is a good way to present your snacks to your guests or even to your family members. You don't have to wait until you're having guests so that you can remove the expensive and good looking items. So you can use them any day with your family. So we have these beautiful plaques, and let me see what else they do have. We have this storage items. So if you're looking for a way to organize your first aid kits, maybe your bandages, your painkillers in the house, this would be the perfect thing for you. And also, if you love emptying your soap, your lotions into cute bottles, this would be the perfect one for you. And then we have tins where you can organize your coffee, your sugar. You can empty stuff here, even your flour, you can empty it here. And I love the print on the containers. This would be a beautiful way to add color and metals in your space. So if you love coffee just like I do, this would be a good way to empty your coffee in a tin. I just love her page. It has very cute items. This is a cute drawer where you can organize your small items in here. And then if you are a tea person, you can definitely get this and organize your tea bags in. And of late we've been having very cute teas wrapped very beautifully, so this would be a beautiful way of organizing your tea bags. So let me show you what they are offering for today's giveaway. And they're offering wrapping kits and accessories. So I have been following Meruti for a while, and I love how she packages her deliveries. They are wrapped so beautifully, so nice. Let me see if I can get a photo of a gift that she has wrapped. She does it so well. So let me see. Do we have one? Yes, we have this. I don't know, Instagram keeps cutting me off. Let's try this again. So I think I can't play a video when I'm screen recording, so let me look for a photo and see if we can get a photo of a gift that she, not a gift, it's a package that she has wrapped. So as you can tell, we have this on IGTV, so you can check it out. Also we have another one, but it's a video, but I guess I can't play a video and also screen record. Let me see if do we have a gift that she has wrapped. I can't seem to find a gift that she has wrapped her package, but her packaging is so good. So you're going through her page and you can see the items that she has been stocking. And what I love about her is she explains, here it is. So this is how she packs her items that she's sending away. So this is a beautiful way of doing it. And she is giving away the wrapping. She's giving away the wrapping kits and accessories. So if you're gifting someone a gift this Christmas and you'd love the gift to go in a well presentable way, this is the kit for you. And if you'd love to win one, kindly comment down below. I'd love to know that you're interested in getting this kit and its accessories, and I'll be choosing a winner tomorrow morning. So I'll see you tomorrow. So that is it, and make sure you're following Meruti Home Decor for you to win one of the kits that she's giving away. And may the best man or woman win. I'll see you tomorrow with yet another giveaway. Bye.